In a world where carbon has fueled our progress, it now threatens our very existence. The world emits over 2.4 million pounds of CO2 per second. But can renewable energy sources alone satisfy the increasing energy needs of our modern world? Romania stands out as a compelling example of how nuclear power can significantly contribute to low pollution and a cleaner energy future. The shift from fossil fuels is essential for meeting global climate commitments and promoting sustainable development.
At Nuclearelectrica, we aim for carbon neutrality and sustainable resource management by increasing clean energy from nuclear sources.
SNN was established in 1998, and since then we have a long journey of excellence in our power production from nuclear source. So we've been in number 1 and number 3 as reactor capacity factor reactors in the world. So we are very proud of our journey building nuclear power plants and operating nuclear power plants in Romania.
Nuclearelectrica is a pillar in Romania's sustainable development by producing, at this moment, 20% of Romania's energy need and having a very large impact in its GDP. We envisage to increase our role by having more capacity built, which means more accessible, clean energy for everyone involved, as well as developing a robust industry that can support Romania's economy. Our long-term goal is to produce clean energy and support Romania's energy security and decarbonization goals.
Cernavodă NPP uses CANDU reactors. That means it's a CANDU technology that uses natural uranium and heavy water, as opposed to the other majority of reactors in the world that use enriched uranium and natural water. We use natural uranium and heavy water. So that's a major difference between other reactors in the world. So that will create for us the need to build factories for heavy water. However, we don't need to enrich uranium, which is a very big competitive advantage for countries like Romania. Unit 1 started operation in 1996 and Unit 2 started 11 years after that in 2007. And since then we have very good operation from both of our reactors.
We are the sole nuclear producer in Romania, so we are helping reducing the carbon footprint. Each year, Cernavodă Nuclear Power Plant helps to avoid 10 million tons of CO2 released in the atmosphere. Also, the state is the majority shareholder of Nuclearelectrica, so the government is very supportive of all our plans.
By bringing online Unit 3 and Unit 4, we'll double our capacity of clean energy and will be aligned with our country's 2030 national strategy. The biggest advantage of Unit 3 and 4 will be avoiding 10 million tons of CO2 each year in production. Also will help us to grow our economical structure, will help Romania to develop a new generation of nuclear specialists, and also will make big value on the supply chain. Also, an important project for us is the refurbishment of Unit 1 that will extend the life of the plant with 30 years and will help us to avoid about 5 million tons of CO2 each year. SMR technology is something that will be a big step for whole the world because it will give us clean energy in a special location and with no needs of infrastructure like the large scale of nuclear plants. This will help to avoid about 4 million tons of CO2 each year in production. The SMRs for Romania in first phase will put us on the map in all the world because it's the first of a kind, and will help to manage new 200 permanent position and about 1,500 position in construction phase.
Nuclear is growing in acceptance. So today, 1 out of 5 light bulbs are running on nuclear energy, so about 20%. And this number is set to increase in the future with the new reactors.
Nuclearelectrica operates by 4 values, generally, that drive our mission. Our mission is to generate clean energy in a safe manner. So the first one is safety, the safety of our operation, safety of the environment, safety of where we are. That's number 1. We care for our people, so that's the second largest objective. Third, operational excellence. So everything that we do in our management system is very important, and we try to benchmark to have operational excellence. Sustainable development, that's the way in which we plan all of our investments. And the fourth value is community involvement. We want to be a positive actor in the communities that we're involved, locally and nationally and internationally. Nuclearelectrica is contributing towards education programs through various partnerships with institutions. We have a robust partnership with schools where we develop traits, but we're also very involved in the university system here in Romania by developing more programs, high-level schooling in terms of nuclear engineering. We're also supporting scholarships, and we've also supported the development of our people and of general students at large. Currently, we've also seen the university system benefiting from more technology in terms of simulators, and we've been a very strong advocate for the development of the educational purpose in Romania.
As Romania and the global community is striving for carbon neutrality, Nuclearelectrica is the front of energy transition, and while prioritizing the community well-being. Our motto is commitment to excellence, action for results. So our future is quite bright.